babies, here is my summer Walmart beauty box. They sent me 2 in my spring. I ordered 4, 2 trendsetters and 2 classics. They sent me 2 in my spring, and for whatever reason, they ain't send the other. And by that time, we was almost at fall, so I told them forget it. And now they billed me for all 4. So this is what it's looking like with the yellow paper. Enter to win a $100 gift card. Tell us what you think about your Walmart beauty box in a brief survey by visiting brandsharessurvey.com/beautyboxsurvey. Hello, sunshine. Rate and review this season's products at walmart.com/TP/shop beauty box. #Walmart beauty box. So hopefully it's something good for the summertime. Not so happy with it, but what can I do? We have some Bioderma micellar water. Walmart, no, they should be ashamed of themselves. We have a Big Soleil 3-blade sensitive razor. I was about to go buy some razors. I could say that. I got a Dove Refresh Care Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. I got a Maybelline Masterpiece All Day Liquid Liner. It doesn't say what color. So it's black. That's cool. And here we go with these thingies. I got a 48-hour Nivea lotion aloe vera. I got some Biore Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. And then I got some literature. And here's the literature for the eyeliner. Here's the literature for the Sensibile H2O cleanses, removes makeup, and soothes. Inventor of the micellar technology, 99% makeup removed, high tolerance. It doesn't say for which type of skin. You got your Biore crap. And you got your razor. So that's it for this box. So I got an eyeliner. I got a dry shampoo, which I know the eyeliner probably is worth something. We got the micellar water. That's 3. I got the Biore strips. That's 4. I got the lotion. And I got the razor. So I'll say, it's not the greatest, but it's not the worst. I like the razor. I don't usually use these strips. This little lotion packet can go in my purse. I'm going to check this out and see what the micellar water does, because I know that it's usually for oily skin, but they do have some out here for sensitive skin. We got the eyeliner, and I'm so sick of these dry shampoos, I don't know what to do. I personally, I've used it in my hair before. I usually use it in the wintertime in my hair, but it leaves a lot of buildup. So now I just use it for my wigs. But for $5, I really can't complain. Walmart, I hope you do better, because ready to switch out of your subscription, not really pay for you. But hey, the good thing about Walmart beauty boxes, in the fall, when it's getting cold, and in the winter, it's excellent. Especially around Christmas. It's excellent. But, I don't know. We might have to do something else, Walmart. Until next time, I'm going to see you later.